Alice Guo says she doesn't know her own siblings but admits in another interview that she does. She couldn't explain irregularities in her own birth certificate either. More questions arise as the controversial mayor of Bamban-Tarlac faces the Senate for the second time. At the Senate hearing on Wednesday, May 22, Senator Risa Ontiveros presents more documentary evidence to show that Guo is lying. Guo claimed that she doesn't know anything about her supposed siblings Sheila and Seaman. But travel records from the Immigration Bureau show she traveled with Sheila at least thrice.
Travel buddies kayo ni Sheila Guo. At wala namang masamang mag-travel kasama ng kapatid. I would enjoy that also. Pero why would you lie about something like this? Bakit po kailangan magsinungaling sa bagay na napakadali namang pong i-check?
Your Honor, nakaraan po na Senate hearing. Kaya po, lahat na lang po naging sagot ko po is I don't know, hindi ko po alam. Dahil ayaw ko po madamay pa po ang ibang tao.
Her two siblings were also named as co-incorporators of a number of businesses under the mayor's name. Guo also admits that she worked with Nancy Gamo, who was the representative of the rated Pogo Zuyuan Technology Incorporated.
Nancy Gamo po, sa kanya po ako nagpapatulong po mag-process po ng dokumento po dati. Doon sa mga nakastate po na mga companies po.
Alright.
Sila po yung kilala po sa pamilya po namin.
Zuyuan is a Pogo hub in Bamban-Tarlac located in the Baofu compound, accused of hacking government websites and doing surveillance activities. Guo used to be part owner of Baofu, but she claimed that she sold her stake before running for mayor. The rise of Pogos in the country comes at a price. The House already passed a measure to ban Pogos. At the Senate, lawmakers are divided because of the move's potential impact on the economy. Guo's story shows just how murky the Pogo industry is. Bonds Magsambol Rappler, Pasay City.